Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. This is part 2 of the PERI repaint video. Um, After the first video, what I did was off the camera because it was mostly sewing and making the dress and everything. So you guys saw all of this, the makeup and the hair in part 1 video. So if you didn't, you can check that first. And here is, I'm just gonna go through everything that I've done. Everything is really easy. I don't have a certain way of doing things. I'm quite new to sewing and everything, so it's just kind of things that I thought will look cool. I love everything like with rough edges. As you see, the shoe were just like kind of sewn onto the foot. Just added these little buttons, details. I love buttons. So everything is, this is just like really squishy, is like the thing you find in like soft toys, and this is just some really baby clothing that I took and kind of used to make the legs. So the legs are very soft. The purpose was for them to just dangle from the shelf. So yeah, just got like extra long legs. So just gonna move this up. What we've got here is, I've just covered, as you know, the torso is in plastic, so I've just covered it in, I don't like the look of plastic, so I'm trying to cover as much as I can. It's just a soft fabric, and kind of just glued it and made these stitches. I love stitches, so I leave everything like quite visible. I find it really nice. The legs are just sewn onto this. The dress just has this really cute thing here. Again, I love everything that looks worn, distressed, rough, so I've just left it like this. Like, I'm not bothered if there are bits coming off. I wanted to have like this kind of look. The top part of the dress, like the collar, the sleeves, and this little thing is from another dress, so I've actually didn't sew the top, the white lacy bits. I've just added kind of the red one and kind of just join it together and stuff, and I added a little bow. Again, used some of the buttons details on the sides and the hands. As I mentioned, that I don't like the plastic. I ended up, as you know from the first video, I started to paint it, but it still looked kind of cheap, so I decided to just sew it like this and make it like she's got like skin out of this fabric, and then kind of just stitched it here and there. I really loved it. And with this, I thought it's gonna be really cool for the good sister to hold the teddy bear, which was actually, I found it, I think it was a keychain, and just kind of distressed it a little bit, made the stitches, the eye. And this is the bad sister holding a needle with a thread as if he's sewing him up. So I love to have a concept behind whatever I'm doing, so this one kind of, it felt really good. Also, the needle is made out of a toothpick, so it's wooden. I think it gives it a really nice kind of old vintage authentic look. Other than that, this is pretty much what I did off the camera. So because I'm quite new to sewing and all of this, I kind of just didn't feel confident enough of like showing the whole process, because I wasn't really sure what I'm gonna end up with in a way. So I'm gonna try and do this part on the video for the next doll. At the end of this video, I'm gonna post a few pictures that are close-ups of this piece, so you can check them out and see certain bits maybe from closer. And you can also check my Instagram under the same name, you know, just for more pictures. Sometimes in the video not everything is that clear, so you're welcome to do that if you wish. With the hair, we left it actually, you know, down. I didn't want to do too much with it. I thought it looks really nice. Just added this little braid here with the bow. Attached the mask on the piece of ribbon. Just did the little, I've actually had this from a older doll's dress, so just put it here, and that's how it looks from the back. She's got, again, just stitch these buttons here, added a little bow at the back, and that's the dress. Like, there is bits coming off, so that's the all around. So yeah, this is the completed doll. I hope you like it, and if you have anything to say, please leave a comment. Thank you.